Well, look at this thing. What is this? See that right there? Look, it's so low. I have never, ever seen that before. It's kind of strange, though. It's like... But what is it, though? Rain clouds, snow, squalls? I have no idea. But apparently, when I was checking out the lighting map, there's some thunder... There's some lightning bolts in some of these areas. And yes, it's extremely windy. While I was filming the last ever at the building... Oh, there goes the wind. I have no idea what that is. Any rotation? Be on the lookout just in case. It might be a thunderstorm coming in. Taking it down a notch, man. Because this right here, I've never seen before. In the wall, or not that I'm aware of, but looks scary looking. Holy moly. And the wind's picking up. I'm here at this plaza, Silver Creek Plaza here in Mississauga, Ontario, on Cawthorpe Road, north of Dundas, and here comes the rain. Uh-oh. Ice pellets. Does not go like this. Unless, if it's just really small ice pellets or just tiny, tiny bits of hail, it should be okay. I just got a text from my mom. I'm gonna dismiss that for now. Just look at this. This is nuts. This is definitely a thunderstorm coming in. Because it was getting really windy when I was filming the last elevator. You can literally hear the shaft, or whatever was above the elevator cab, just banging loudly. It was crazy. That's how windy it is right now. So maybe this might be my third thunderstorm video this year in a while. Or first time in a while, actually. Because I think we had one in early March. But it's getting really crazy. You know, as my dad comes back, I still roll the camera. If there's any curse words, I'll censor those out. But look at that. Kind of ominous looking. Here we go. I don't know, guys. It is so gusty and so winds are so strong. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I think we're in for a thunderstorm. Is it? If this is a thunderstorm that's so windy, this has to be like maybe a sub-severe. That is crazy stuff, man. The wind is so powerful, I can feel the car moving around. Holy moly. Crazy stuff. I can't look at the same time while I'm filming this on my iPhone. But this is nuts. See, I'm not even shaking the camera, it's the wind and shifting the car around. And we're parked. I think this is mixed precipitation. I would guess this might be a... Whoop. No, that was my bad thought. I saw a flash there. I was watching thunderstorm videos this morning on YouTube too. Crazy, man. Look to the north. Yep, this is mixed precipitation. Ice. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Like, I'm not joking, guys, but the car is really going right, left and right because of the wind. That is insane. I'm sorry, though. I'm a little excited about that. I can commentate on these kind of storms. And because the wind's literally blowing from the north from the north area. Sorry, the tongue twister. Just keep an eye. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Holy smokes. I don't know how big this cell is, but it hasn't gone out yet, thank goodness. But what light I just saw coming in when the cell just came in. I have never seen that. I wonder if this is some kind of mixture of snow and rain. Oh, it might be a thundersnowstorm. That's awesome. But we haven't seen any lightning flashes yet or heard any bang rumbles. So we don't know yet. But it is strong enough to act like a thunderstorm. Crazy stuff. Doesn't come out yet. There we go again. Now it's even stronger. Like, it's coming literally that way where I'm pointing at right now. Like, golly. I think this might be... There's a Beale Regional Police Officer over there. Those flashing lights over there. On that construction site. I think this might be Thundersnow. It's kind of a bit on the cool side, but it's above 0. It's like in the plus digits. So I don't know, guys. What do you guys think? Look at those trees. Look at them. So left side. This is like severe thunderstorm winds. Wind gusts. Crazy stuff, man. It's been 6 minutes, 37 seconds. No lightning strikes or that rumbles of thunder yet. I don't see my dad yet. Raise nuggets. Just concentrate on this one less. Sorry. Sorry, this is bad. If you're on the highway on the 401 or any of the 400 series highways, going east or westbound, and this is happening, you gotta go really slowly. Keep a safe distance from each other. Take that seriously. That is insane. Like, literally, there's not much snowfall or rainfall, whatever it is. It looks kind of icy looking. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, still going. Still going. That. Sorry. Symptoms of Tourette syndrome. But this is crazy. Like, seriously. Still gusting. Wow. Can I finish my little elevator trip on time? Okay. I think I see him. Is that him? Can't see because it's so windy. Nope, that's not him. He does not wear those kind of caps. Wow. I could see it's clearing up. No, I'm not too sure. I can't see very well from here. This has been going on for like at least 8 minutes and 30 seconds now. Interesting stuff. I think it's calming down a little bit. Or is it? I can't tell right now. I think we got the doors put out of the way as of now. Yeah, I can see some brightness to the north. So I think it might be fading out. But there was some spots on the lightning map right up nearby, just south northwest of us, that had a lightning strike. Either cloud or cloud ground, one of those two. It was a small dot on the lightning map from Environment Canada. So it could have been either one of them. Just a single one. Yep, starting to clear up. See that? Right over there to the north. So if that comes out in time, we should be okay. But that folks, that was insane. Completely insane. Well, I think there might have been a severe thundersnow/storm with rain and snow mixed up. I've got one thundersnow storm on video with a mixture of rain and snow. Mixed precipitation, and it was very windy. That was insane. Did that come out yet? Nope, he hasn't yet. Okay, I'm just doing a lapse observation to the south, see if there's any lightning. Just moving southeastward, I think. Because it was going, the wind was, that weird looking phenomena of Mother Nature was really interesting looking. That was awesome. Not just filling elevators, getting this too. Okay. Alright. Okay, starting to clear up now. Another quick look at it. Showing pretty fast too, so that was insane. Was that a flash? I don't think it was me, it was just me. Hang on. Precipitation's still going. What the heck? I see him coming now. So anyways, thanks for watching. Hopefully sometime soon we'll get another good thunderstorm on video. Although there's no lightning in this one though. But anyways, thanks for watching. I'll see you later in the next video. Have a good day and night, whatever you're doing. Thanks.